Suppose we divide a mixed number by 10. So let's take a mixed number 7.5 and we divide it by 10. How do we do this kind of problem? Here my first job will be converting this mixed number into a fractional number, into a improper fraction, you can say. So how do we do that? We multiply this way, crisscross way. That means 7 into 2 makes 14 plus the numerator, that is 1. So 7 to the 14 plus 1 gives me 15 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have 2 as it is. Next, what do we do? Next, I can see I have to divide 7.5 by 10. So I write 15 by 2, and that I have to divide by 10. Now here see, since we have a fraction, we can't divide in the long division way or the methods of division we have learned before, right? So we should learn a new system of dividing this kind of fractional numbers. What we do is, we keep this 15 by 2, this first fraction as it is, and then we change this division sign into multiplication sign. And how can we change this division sign into a multiplication sign is that we can now write the reciprocal of this number, that means reciprocal of 10, which is 1 by 10. So what I mean is, we can change the division sign into a multiplication sign only if we take the reciprocal of the term on the other side, that is the divisor, right? And this expression and these expressions are both the same, because here it is division divided by 10, but here it is multiplication sign into the reciprocal. So now what we can see is, in the numerator we have, see that both 15 and 1 are in the numerator. So in the whole numerator we have 15 into 1, and in the whole denominator I have 2 into 10, right? So now it looks similar to you. How can we proceed with this kind of sum? That means we can cancel out the numerator and the denominator by their common factors if they have any, right? So see here, 15 is divisible by 5 and 10 here is also divisible by 5. So 5 is their common factor, right? So what do I do is, I cancel 15 by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, because 3 5s are 15, and 10 divided by 5 is 2, right? So I am left with 3 into 1 divided by 2 into 2, and I can see that no other numbers are divisible by the same common factor. So I am left with whatever is there in the numerator and the denominator. That means, it implies I have here 3 into 1 3 and 2 2s are 4. So my answer is 3 by 4.